Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World, and today we got some awesome, Super Boss watch faces that I think are worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now the name of the developer that created this watch face goes by the name of AXXO. Now I don't know if this guy is new or not, but he's definitely bringing the noise with these two watch faces that we're about to review. Now the name of the first one is called AXXO Diver. Very nice looking watch face, right? In always on mode, you're pretty much going to get an analog look, not a bad look at all. But when the watch face is on, here's where the beauty and the uniqueness of this watch face starts to shine, right? It has a 3D effect to me for some reason, right? Looks very nice, very unique in its own right. And what I like about it is like it looks like the battery info is kind of inscribed in. I thought that was very different. Same thing for your step info down at the bottom. And you also get your seconds right here, which is interactive. So if you want to set a favorite, you can. Same thing with this date over here. If you want to set your favorite there, you can. And down at the bottom, you can do the same thing. And for those of you all who don't know, just find one, tap on it, and it sets it. And then after that, just tap on it one time, and it'll take you straight to that application that you set for your favorite. Now, I thought that was a very nice offer from the developer. But if I double tap, I can customize the color. You get 12 in all. They all look very nice, very stylish. You can dress up or you can dress down with this watch face. I like what the developer brought to the table with this, but the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and hit the like button on the way out. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Watch face number 2. This one is called AXXO Survival Hybrid. Very nice looking watch face. It even looks just as good in the always on mode. Now, when the watch face is on, this is definitely a dress up watch face, right? You can dress down in it, but I'm telling you, this is one of the watch faces that I would play going out. Now, I like the fact that it has the glow in the dark hands as well. You get the best of both worlds, analog and digital, and you also get a smooth hand that's ticking around the watch, and it looks super awesome. Now, to your right, what you're going to get is your step info. To the left, you're going to get your heart rate, right, which is different, and you also get your digital time and your date down at the bottom. Now, you can tap right here and you can customize your favorite apps. Tap over here, same thing, and also over here, same thing. And I like that it gives you 3. That's not a bad look at all, right, for a watch face. And on top of it, you know, you can change the color, 12 colors in all. Just go ahead, we're gonna double tap to cycle through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're gonna be in for when you download this super awesome watch face that I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store for the price that's being charged for it. But always at the end of the day, is all about you. What did you think of this watch face? All right, you all, that's going to be it. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.